Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosa, and today I'll be sharing with you a super easy one-pot stovetop lasagna using bow tie pastas. It's all the comforting flavors of the traditional lasagna, but way simpler and quicker. No oven, no layering, just one pot and done. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the ricotta cheese. This vegan ricotta is creamy, rich, and adds the traditional lasagna flavor we all love. It's so easy to make and comes together in just a few minutes. To make it, just add firm tofu. Be sure to squeeze out the excess liquid from the tofu before adding. Soaked cashews, splash of plant-based milk nutritional yeast, lemon juice, garlic powder and onion powder, salt and pepper to taste into the food processor. Blend it all up until it's creamy but still has a little bit of texture like traditional ricotta. And that's it. Now set it aside and we'll add it to the lasagna later. Growing up in New York, I'm spoiled to the best Italian food. Seriously, the pizza, the pasta, even the pastries are perfect and they taste amazing. Italian food has always been one of my favorite cuisines, and making this dish brings back so many memories. I miss it so much, but with this recipe, I can recreate these flavors right here at home. We're starting with one of my favorite smells, onions and garlic cooking in olive oil. Just saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and fragrant. This is the base of so many great Italian dishes. Next, we're adding mushrooms and zucchini. If you want, you can add protein by throwing in some plant-based grounds or some lentils. It's optional, but it makes this dish even heartier. Cook everything down for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it gets softened. Now we're going to add 2 cups of marinara sauce. I like to use a good quality one for this rich, tomatoey flavor, and 2 cups of vegetable broth. This combo makes the perfect sauce for our lasagna. Now here's the fun part, adding these cute little bow tie pastas into the pan. Stir it all together to coat the pasta, making sure it is submerged into this delicious sauce. We're going to cover it and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes. Just give it a stir every so often so nothing sticks to the bottom. Okay, the pasta is tender and the sauce has thickened beautifully. Now we're going to add dollops of vegan ricotta right on top. It gives you those creamy, cheesy pockets like in a traditional lasagna. And for the final touch, sprinkle some vegan mozzarella on top. Don't mix it all the way in, just swirl it gently into the sauce. Cover it again for just a couple of minutes so it melts and gets all gooey. It looks so delicious. It's rich, cheesy, and packed with flavor. This one-pot stovetop lasagna is seriously everything I love about Italian food made so much easier. Growing up in New York, Italian food was such a big part of my life, and this dish always reminds me of those amazing flavors I grew up with. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as I do. If you like this lasagna recipe and want an easy bread recipe to go with it, check out this video over here. It's the perfect pairing for this dish. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.